Welcome to my video Make Money Online in the PLR Business, Selling Private Label Rights Products. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. People in all parts of the world make money working from home. And more people are doing so by using private label rights PLR products. Products and services created with PLR materials are bought and sold daily in nearly every niche market imaginable. From the pet industry, to weddings, to work at home, finance, cooking, healthcare, self-improvement and a lot more other areas. Just head to eBay and you'll run into no shortage of auctions going on made at least in part from PLR content. In short, there's never been a better time to make money with a PLR business. And there's no better way to get your own business going than to learn tried and true tips from someone who's been there, done that. So to help you get started and grow your own PLR business, here are some tips. 1. Start with free help from library books and places online like the Small Business Administration on topics like work at home, home-based business, basic business and marketing plans. Also research books, magazines and other industry publications, trade journals, newsletters, e-zines, etc. that cover your favorite niches for ideas on what sells best that you could package out of your PLR content for the general public or your target audience. 2. Next, research different types of business opportunities within your favorite niche for ideas on what you want to sell, products, services or both, all packaged with your PLR content. For example, you could create reports, guides, tutorials, for starters. Start bookmarking online sites that may become competitors and those that may be sources for you, like wholesale companies with products you could package along with your reports or guides. 3. Seek out and bookmark online sites that boast helpful business and niche articles, tips and resources, too. You might find great e-zines or print newsletters and niche reports and other information to sign up for, giving you ideas on what to offer your target audience using your PLR content as a basis and adding to it, making it unique. 4. Look for networking sites to bookmark next. Forums for your niche industry, for internet marketers, for home-based business people, etc. You want to build a network so that you can find help and resources plus give back to the community, too, helping others along the way. 5. Become a lifelong student of affiliate marketing tactics and strategies. Always be on the lookout for affiliate products or services you could package with your PLR content for making money. And think about setting up your own affiliate marketing program, too, based upon the rules of your PLR license. Become a lifelong student of the PLR business. Increasing your knowledge of the PLR industry means growing your PLR business. And that's a win-win. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.